Finally getting to tour the Symons oil can and machine shop. Got it open here today. They're starting to process of restoring the building. They've got some grants.
Oh yeah, no, that'll be the same.
See the sawtooth roof, lights, little shaper.
And then after that, what, we don't go and do that. Why haven't? I'm so thankful that he's really interested. That's what we need, yeah, absolutely. The young generation take over us. Yeah, and it's great fun to be here and help. And help where we can, because we've got to realize we can only do so much as well.
A lot of line shafts.
Build roofs everywhere.
It's amazing how a lot of the equipment's still here when they were making oil cans. Waterloo Boy flywheel there.
I knew that would catch his attention.
As well as doing all the oil cans, they were a regular welding and machine shop during the time. They closed down in the early 80s. A lot of the dyes. I can't see too much in here. A lot of the wrenches still here. A little lathe here.
Well, some year you'll have to come back and it'll be all.
Sure be interesting when you get it all completed.
Well, it's just.
Threading them.
You know, like all the pieces ready to put things together here. And
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's what they use to thread the oil cans there. Got a piece there.
you can't really do anything till you get it fixed.
Yeah. So they have started work on the roof?
Yeah, we've got the office area, that front area is done, and the first slope is done. No,
Oh, okay.
There's two done.
It's a lot of work getting something like this
Well, we got held up here because the line shaft was connected through the roof.
Oh,
So we
okay.
had to pull the line shaft down and get it looking, get it off. And
See the different sawtooth design.
but it's all here. And
It's amazing, yeah, that all of the equipment's still here.
we've, Aaron's had several career changes, so it seems like every time we do something, this is the place to put it.
Yeah. Gas forge for soldering them.
Yeah, they had a soldering station, everybody had a stool, and
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, there's that other horizontal mill machine over there.
Oh, okay.
Too, it's covered up. And
Two different times they were trying to get organized.
What's this here?